Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and live your life very happy. Today we started from the model paper number 146 and the question number 1. In which surah of the Holy Quran is there a mention of Zulkarnain, Hazrat Zulkarnain? In which surah of Holy Quran is there a mention of Hazrat Zulkarnain? The surah name is Al-Kaf. Surah name is Al-Kaf, in which the mention of Zulkarnain. Next one is in 1968, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto joined the government as a youngest minister. What portfolio was given to him? Mean to say what operation what seat is given to the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? The portfolio is a foreign minister. They worked as a foreign minister as the youngest Kabina minister. Next one is Sindh was separated from Bombay Presidency in 1936. Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1936. Next, which member state of SAARC SAARC is a monarchy? State name is Bhutan. Bhutan is the only one member of a state of SAARC is a monarchy. Next one is which Pakistani film was Faiz Ahmad Faiz associated with the writer of its screenplay? Which of one is the movie name is Jago Hua Savera. The movie name is where the Faiz Ahmad Faiz was a writer, in which a writer, the movie name is Jago Hua Savera. Next one is fill in the blank. The blank is a baby lives dash on milk. A baby lives dash on milk. A baby lives dash milk. A baby lives on milk, not by, at, or for, but a baby lives on milk. Next one, who gave the advice of digging a defensive trench in the Ghazwa Khandak? The name is Hazrat Salman Farsi give the advice of digging a defensive trench in the Ghazwa Khandak. Next, the recently concluded T20 Cricket World Cup was won by West Indies. West Indies won the T20 Cricket World Cup that was recently concluded. Next one is find the antonym of despair. The antonym of despair is hope. Antonym of despair is hope. Mean to say the opposite of despair is hope. Next one is complete the sentence using the appropriate. Complete the dash of what he said was very sensible. In dash the word is placed. Much of what he said was very sensible. Much of what he said was very sensible. Next, the opening ceremony of the second Pakistan Super League PSL Pakistan Super League will be held in Sharjah at the date of 9 February 2017. 9 February 2017 the PSL will be held in Sharjah. Find the antonym of candid, candid. The antonym is devious, devious. The antonym of candid is devious. Next one, arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is a fear of spiders. Arachnophobia is a fear of spiders. Again, arachnophobia is a fear of spiders. Next one, one of the problem of trading with India is the anti-Bs against imports. What does anti-B stand for? Anti-B stand for non-traffic barriers. Anti-B stand for non-traffic barriers. Next one is the first Mujaddid was Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Who was the second one? First Mujaddid is Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. The next one is Ahmad Sirhindi. Next one is Ahmad Sirhindi. First one is Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz and the next one is Ahmad Sirhindi. Okay, let's start to move to next one. Find the synonym of abdicate. Abdicate synonym is abandon. ABANDON. Abdicate synonym is abandon, not the opposite. It's the same meaning. Abdicate same meaning as abandon. Next one, which of the following personality is associated with the Khaksar movement? The Khaksar movement associated with the Maulana Inayatullah Mashriqi. Maulana Inayatullah Mashriqi also associated with the Khaksar movement. Next one, recently over 19 workers died in an explosion with working on a ship. Where did this accident take place? The accident takes place in Gadni, Gadni. Gadni. The accident takes place in Gadni. Next one is name the apparatus used for determining the purity of milk. That is lactometer. Let's move to next one. The newly elected Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Antonio Guterres. Mr. Antonio Guterres has also remained as the Finance Minister of Portugal. The newly elected Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Antonio Guterres, has also remained as a Finance Minister of Portugal. Next one, Pakistan first Nobel Prize winner, Professor Dr. Abdul Salam, got his master's in mathematics from Government College Lahore, as famous as GC Lahore. Okay, GC Lahore. He also got Nobel Prize in physics in 1979. He was the first Pakistani who got a Nobel Prize from Pakistan, and he also got his master in mathematics from GC Lahore. Next one, which among the following is not a ruminant? Cat is not a ruminant. Okay, cat is not a ruminant. In which year did Quaid-e-Azam join the Indian National Congress? Quaid-e-Azam joined Indian National Congress in 1906. Also, I told you that Muslim League is found in December 1906 at Dhaka, with the first chairman is Sir Aga Khan. And Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913 and also resigned from Congress in 1920. Liaquat Ali Khan joined Pakistan Pakistan Muslim League in 1923, and Quaid-e-Azam remained as a president of Muslim League for 15 years, started from 1931. Next one is do not meddle in my affairs. Fill in the blank. Do not meddle dash my affairs. The fill in the blank is in. Do not meddle in my affairs. Next one, find the synonym of decipher. The same meaning of decipher is interrupt. Interpret. Decipher, same meaning is interpret. Next one, Bolshevik Revolution. Bolshevik Revolution is associated with which of the following countries? The country is Russia. Bolshevik Revolution is associated with Russia. Next one is sentence completing. The students in the small room were packed like the sardines. The students in the small room were packed like sardines. Sardines is a kind of fishes. Next one, which of the following search engine is developed by Microsoft? Which of the following search engine is developed by Microsoft? The Microsoft developed the search engine as the name of Bing, B-I-N-G. If you use the mobile Microsoft like Nokia Lumia, he also takes place in it. Bing is also as a used as a Google. Next one, which city was built by Emperor Jalaluddin Akbar to serve as a Khalif as a capital? Jalaluddin Akbar built Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri as also as serve as a capital instead of Delhi. Jalaluddin Akbar, the emperor of Mughal emperor, the king of Mughal emperor Jalaluddin Akbar, served as the capital Fatehpur Sikri. Next one, which surah is the Holy Quran has Bismillah twice? The surah name is Namal. And which surah of Holy Quran which do not have Bismillah? The surah name is Surah Toba. Also, I told you the Musarfine Zakat is also written in the surah of Surah Toba. There are 8 Musarfine Zakat. Next one of the surah in the Holy Quran is Al-Namal. Surah Nahl. What is the meaning of Al-Nahl? Al-Nahl meaning honeybee, as known as Shahad ki Makhi. Honeybee is also Al-Nahl is the meaning of honeybee. Next one, Pakistan lost to India in the final of 4th Hockey Champion Trophy. Where was the final match played? The final match played of hockey is in Compton, Malaysia. And also I told you Pakistan is the only one country all over the world who got a maximum of who win the maximum of hockey matches in all over the world, and most of the champion trophies from the hockey all over the world. Next one, also I told you that again the hockey is established from England, and cricket match is also established from England. Next one, fill in the blank. I saw no reason dash why we should get up early. The dash is why. I saw no reason why we should get up early. Okay, I saw no reason why we should get up early. Next one, Google Plus. Google Plus is an other alternative to which of the following site? Google Plus is an alternative for Facebook. Is also used as alternative of Facebook. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's move to next one. From which city did the 1857 War of Independence begin? From which city did the War of 1857 war is begun? The city name is Meerut, also known as MWROT, Meerut. Meerut is an Indian city. From which city did the 1857 War of Independence begin? From Meerut. Find the antonym of apathy. Find the antonym of opposite of apathy. The opposite of apathy is care. Okay, opposite of apathy is care. No, again in the blank. She inquired dash my health. She inquired dash my health. The dash is filled by about. She inquired about my health. She inquired about my health. Next one. Who was at one time called ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity? Ambassador mean Safir. Who is called as the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity at one time? Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, let's move to next one. Bronchitis is a disease that affects the respiratory system of a human body. Again listen, bronchitis is a disease that affects the respiratory tract in the human body. Respiratory tract in the human body. Let's move to next one. Famous poet Mustafa Zaidi. Mustafa Zaidi is a famous poet. Is by profession he is a civil servant. Mustafa Zaidi by profession he is a civil servant. Let's move to next one. Qurbani during Hajj is performed at Mina. Qurbani during Hajj is performed at Mina. Hajj is performed 9th, 10th and 11th Zil-Hajj. The Zil-Hajj is the last month of Islamic calendar, and Qurbani during Hajj is performed at Mina. Next one is name the Pakistani submarine which was action in 1965 and 1971 wars. It sank in 1971 war while on a mission. The mission name is PNS. We lost it in mission 1971 war. The mission name is PNS Ghazi. PNS Ghazi is a mission name in which it is also took place in 1971 war, and we lost our submarine PNS Ghazi. Next, again fill in the blank. 10 years ago I dash in Lahore. 10 years ago I worked in Lahore. The fill in the blank is filled by worked. 10 years ago I worked in Lahore. Next one, find the synonym of antipathy. Antipathy synonym is enmity. Enmity is the synonym of antipathy, the same meaning. Antipathy is enmity. Next one is Kitabul Asr. Kitabul Asr was compiled by Imam Azam Abu Hanifa. Kitabul Asr compiled by Imam Azam Abu Hanifa. Imam Abu Hanifa. Kitabul Asr compiled by Imam Abu Hanifa. Next one, how many chambers are there in human heart? There are 4 chambers in human heart. 2 are in left and 2 are in right atrium. Let's move to next one. The next one is name the mammal which can actually fly. Name the mammal which can actually fly. The mammal name is Bat. Bat is the only mammal which can actually fly. Also, I told you the hummingbird is the only bird which can fly even for hours, and it is the only bird which is moved back as same as it is moved forward. Fly as it is forward, it also can easily fly to backwards even for hours. Also, I told you the largest mammal in the world is blue whale. Blue whale height is almost 1350 pounds, and if you can easily detect its heart beating rate from 2 miles away. Next one is, which of the following is correctly punctuate? The correctly punctuate is Abdul is a good driver. Abdul is a good driver, moreover he is a very friendly one. Abdul is a good driver, moreover he is a very friendly one. Again the good driver is comma, moreover comma he is a very friendly, then full stop. Next one is, who was the first female speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan? The name is Mrs. Fahmida Mirza. Mrs. Fahmida Mirza, the first female speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan. Let's move to next one. Which Pakistani cricket player is remembered as a Little Master? The title is Little Master. The name is Hanif Muhammad. Hanif Muhammad is a Pakistani cricket player, is remembered as Little Master. Okay, let's move to next one. The next one is Amazon is the best example of dash site. Amazon is the best example of e-commerce. E-commerce is the online internet business. E-commerce is the online internet business. Amazon is the best example of e-commerce. Okay, let's move to next one. The husband of Begum Khalida Zia, former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, had remained the president of Bangladesh. What was his name? His name is General Ziaul Haq. Okay, his name is General Ziaur Rahman. General Ziaur Rahman. The husband of Begum Khalida Zia, former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, had remained the president of Bangladesh. What was his name? His name is General Ziaur Rahman. Next one is India is making effort to join the NSG. What does NSG stand for? NSG stands for Nuclear Suppliers Group. Nuclear Suppliers Group is abbreviated as NSG. Complete the idiom. The idiom dash is a penny for you dash. The dash also, the word in a dash is a thought. A penny for your thought. A penny for your thought. Okay, next one is, in which year was General Ayub Khan appointed as the Commander-in-Chief of the Pakistan Army? General Ayub Khan in 1951 is elected as Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army. Also, I told you General Ayub Khan imposed martial law in October 1958. Next one is fill in the blank. Are there dash apples in kitchen? Are there dash apples in the kitchen? The fill in the blank is filled by any. Are there any apples in the kitchen? Are there any apples in the kitchen? Okay, let's move to next one. Next one is also fill in the blank. It is dash film that I have ever seen. It is dash film that I have ever seen. And the fill in the blank is filled by it is the worst film. It is the worst film that I have ever seen. The worst. Next one is under which amendment of 1973 Constitution were the Ahmadis declared as non-Muslims? Under which amendment of 1973 Constitution were the Ahmadis declared as non-Muslim? The amendment is Second Amendment. Okay, Second Amendment is the in 1973 Constitution. Next one, which of the following is an example of microblogging? The example of microblogging is Twitter. Twitter is the example of microblogging. Okay, next move to next one. Next one is when Zulfikar Ali Bhutto replaced by Yahya Khan in 1971, he took over as president. When Zulfikar Ali Bhutto replaced Yahya Khan in 1971, he took over as a prime minister. Okay, next one is who is the current president of China? The current president of China is Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping. Next one is an MS Word. Which of the following is not type of a page margin? The page margin is not type for center. Center in MS Word of the not type of a page margin. Next one is Siam. SIAM. Siam is the old name of Thailand. Siam is the old name of Thailand. Name the only Pakistani who served as the Secretary General of OIC. OIC means Organization of International Corporation, Islamic Corporation, Organization of Islamic Corporation. The only one General Secretary of OIC from Pakistan is Sharifuddin Pirzada. His name is Sharifuddin Pirzada. Remember it. Next one is a complete sentence. Abdul know the conditions in England like the dash of his hand. Its fill in the blank is filled by back. Abdul know the condition in England like the back of his hand. Next one is he succeeded dash the throne after his father's death. He succeeded to the throne. Dash is filled by to. He succeeded to the throne after his father's death. Let's move to next one. The next one is the Amazon in Brazil. Amazon is Brazil dash longest river in dash South America. The Amazon in Brazil is the longest river in the South America. Okay, both dashes are filled by only one word. The one word is the. The Amazon in Brazil is the longest river in the South America. Next one is also I told you that the longest river of the world is Darya Nile, and the largest river of the world is Amazon. Difference between them: the longest is Nile and the largest is Amazon. Next one is, what does AIDS, AIDS stand for medical terminology? AIDS is mean acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a virus that can cause hepatitis mostly. Next one is, what was the old name of Zohob? ZHOB. What was the old name of Zohob? Zohob old name is Fort Sandyman. Fort Sandyman is the old name of Zohob. Next one, animal that eat both plants and meat are known as omnivores. Animal that eat both plants and meat are known as omnivores. We are also omnivores. Also, I told you the carnivores are those who can only eat meat, and herbivores are those who can only eat plants. Okay, I hope you understand. Next one is, which of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? Correctly punctuated means the correctly punctuated is, the weather this winter has been windy, then comma, and wet and unpredictable. The weather this winter has been windy, comma, wet and unpredictable. This is rightly punctuated. Next one is, a person who suffer from claustrophobia. A person who suffer from claustrophobia is afraid of confined places. Claustrophobia is afraid of confined places. Next one is, in the field of computer, what is 1 nibble equal to? 1 nibble equal to 4 bits. 1 nibble equal to, in the field of computer, 1 nibble equal to 4 bit. Next one is, which vitamin is provided to human body by sunlight? Vitamin D. Which part of human body is affected by hepatitis C? The liver. Liver is also a organ in our body. Complete the sentence by using appropriate option. The old woman lived alone with dash to look after dash. The old man lived alone with no one to look after her. With no one to look after her. Next one is, in MS Word, portrait and landscape or page orientation. Portrait and landscape are used for page orientation. Okay. Next one is, which catalyst is used for separating of oxygen and hydrogen in water? Oxygen and hydrogen in water, to separate both of them, we use electricity. Electricity method catalyst is used for separation of oxygen and hydrogen in water. Okay, let's move to next one. The mausoleum of Narkali is located in which part of the Lahore? In which part of the Lahore? The part of Lahore is inside the premises of Secretariat building. Inside the premises of Secretariat building. Next one is, on 4 August 2010, Additional Inspector General Police Safat Goyar was murdered, killed in a terrorist attack in Peshawar. He was the nephew of Sardar Abdul Rab Nashtar. Sardar Abdul Rab Nashtar nephew. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's move to next one. The next one is, which of the following country is not in Africa? Is not from Africa? Which of the following country is not in Africa? The answer is Ecuador. ECUADOR. Ecuador is not from Africa. Next one is, Maharaja Ranjit Singh has lost vision in his left eye as a result of smallpox. Smallpox is a disease which is actually caused by virus, and Maharaja Ranjit Singh has lost vision in his left eye as a result of smallpox. Now let's move towards the Urdu. टूट पटूट का किरदार किस अदीब ने तहलीक किया? उसका जवाब है सूफी तबस्सुम ने. टूट पटूट का किरदार किस अदीब ने तहलीक दिया? आंसर इज सूफी तबस्सुम. टूट पटूट का किरदार सूफी तबस्सुम ने तहलीक किया. नेक्स्ट वन, टीवी का मशहूर ड्रामा वारिस किसने लिखा? आंसर इज अमजद इस्लाम अमजद. टीवी का मशहूर ड्रामा वारिस अमजद इस्लाम अमजद ने लिखा. नेक्स्ट वन, जिसको फलक ने टूट के वैरान कर दिया, हम रहने वाले हैं इसी उजड़े दयार के. ये मशहूर शेर किसका है? ये मशहूर शेर मीर तकी मीर का है. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट वन इज, बकदरे अश्क बुलबुल से क्या मुराद है? बकदरे अश्क बुलबुल से क्या मुराद है? इसका मतलब है किसी चीज़ की खफीफ मिकदार. बकदरे अश्क बुलबुल किसी चीज़ की खफीफ मिकदार. नेक्स्ट वन, हार्ट अटैक के मशहूर शायर की नज़म. हार्ट अटैक किस मशहूर शायर की नज़म है? तो वो है فیض احمد فیض. فیض احمد فیض کو 1961 کے اندر لینن پرائز ملا تھا فرام رشیا سے, اور یہ اونلی پرسن ہیں جو کہ بلانگ کرتے ہیں قائد اعظم علامہ اقبال کے شہر سیال کوٹ سے. نیکسٹ ون از ابو ہمتام قواعد کی روح سے کیا ہے؟ یہ ہے کنیت. ابو ہمتام قواعد کی روح سے کنیت. نیکسٹ ون, الٹی ہو گئیں سب تدبیریں کچھ نہ دو آنے کام آئے, دیکھا اس بیماری دل نے آخر کام تمام کیا. یہ شعر کس مشہور شاعر کا ہے؟ تو یہ ہے جی میر تقی میر کا. نیکسٹ ہے جی, کس زمانے میں اردو اخبار ہمدرد کا بڑا چرچا تھا؟ اس اخبار کو کون لکھتے تھے؟ اس اخبار کو مولانا محمد علی جوہر لکھتے تھے. اس کے ساتھ میں آپ کو مزید بتاتا چلوں کہ